Cut the silicone to suitable size and put into the frame mold. Put the sample jewelry and molded bead in silicone and press it tightly. Cut off a piece of silicone again and fill the mold completely. Rotate the handle to lift the heating plate and put the mold on the vulcanization table. Turn on the power, set the vulcanization time, and start vulcanization. After vulcanization is completed, take out the mold and wait for cooling. Cut the silicone mold and take out the molded beads. Cut the silicone mold and take out the sample jewelry. In this way, you get a silicone mold that can be used for wax injection.
要不要底底呢？几个底？底下那个。